So yeah, the agenda of this call is to get to know your feedback regarding the training experience. So my first question to both is what motivated to join HackNow training?
I got to know about it from my colleague.
Okay. What about you, Ritesh?
I want to learn ServiceNow and HackNow is providing training. That's why.
Okay. Okay, fine. And what was your overall learning experience from day one until now?
It
Good.
is good.
Okay. And what did you like most about the trainer or the sessions, which you want to highlight?
He motivates
Mm,
us to practice more and solves all of our query, even if it is small.
That's great. What about you, Ritesh?
Same words also.
Okay, you don't want to add anything else from your end?
He's a good trainer and he know everything. Whenever we asked out, he doesn't postpone it.
Okay.
He instantly solved it out.
Okay, that's great. So how much would you rate Prashant and why?
8 on 10, 8.5 on 10.
Okay. And why so, Meenakshi?
Like he's really
Actually,
good trainer.
So then, Ritesh, what would be your rating then in that case?
8.5.
Okay, so you both are on the same page. Okay. And my last question is would you recommend HackNow to others?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, hope so you get more referrals for us in the coming programs. Yeah. That's it for the call. That's for thanks to know about your experience